Up first this evening, the Ministry of Health is now investigating a claim that cancer-causing asbestos could be present in Johnson & Johnson baby powder.
The issue came to light through an investigation and court cases in which the company was sued by several persons.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says he's concerned and will take the action necessary. TVJ Shamela Pullen reports.
Just days ago, international news agency Reuters reported that based on its investigations, Johnson & Johnson knew for decades about the presence of asbestos in its baby powder. Reuters, citing an examination of Johnson & Johnson memos, internal reports and other confidential documents in its report, said the company knew about the presence of small amounts of asbestos in its products as early as 1971 and failed to disclose the information to regulators or the public.
These records make it clear that many people inside J&J were aware that asbestos, a known carcinogen, was detected in the ore they mined, in the talc they milled, and on occasion in the products they sold.
Back home, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says he has seen the reports and has passed on the information to the Chief Medical Officer to investigate.
We have a division within the ministry that investigates these issues and takes the appropriate action. So to the extent that those investigations can be validated in support of the claims, then we will take the appropriate action at the point in time. But I prefer not to comment on the brand until we get to that point.
Dr. Tufton said after seeing the report, he became concerned, especially because asbestos has been linked to certain types of cancer by the World Health Organization since 1987.
Anything that makes a claim from a credible news source, and I saw it on the BBC, which suggests some potential public health challenges or risks, particularly to our young people, would be a definite concern to us.
Meanwhile, Johnson & Johnson has since issued a statement saying the Reuters article is one-sided, false and inflammatory. J&J also said its baby powder is safe and asbestos-free. It also said it has fully cooperated with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, which is responsible for protecting public health in that country. Dr. Tufton says he would not be able to advise persons to stop using the product until the local investigation is complete.
I would prefer not to issue an advisory until I can validate or get some technical advice, for fear that I'm giving advice based on my own layman's interpretation of things. So I'm expecting a response sometime this week, and then at that time we can deal with it in a more technical way.
This summer, 22 women with ovarian cancer successfully sued Johnson & Johnson, arguing that the company knew about the connection between talc and asbestos. A jury in St. Louis, Missouri, United States awarded them $4.7 billion, which is one of the largest personal injury verdicts ever. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.